look for Mvurya, Kingi, Twaha, and the others.
Umeongezeka kwa mifuko yao.
Mradi umewalenga kwanza
na Mombasa kwa kifupi ya kukaribisha. Karibu Gavana Ali Hassan Joho.
Siku kwa mahitaji yake ya nyumbani.
Gavana wa kwanza Mheshimiwa Mvurya na
This is a seminal project aimed at improving management of priority fisheries and mariculture and increase access to complementary livelihood activities throughout our coastal region. In coming up with this project, we were guided by two key parameters of development. The first is the contribution of fisheries and aquaculture resource to food security and nutrition, as well as to wealth and employment. It is known that globally, fish production in 2018, for example, was estimated to have reached approximately 178 million tons, with captured fish and aquaculture contributing about 96 and 82 million tons respectively. In addition, it is notable that in 2018, fish contributed 70% of all animal-based protein supply.
Lengo la mradi hii ambao umeleta leo ni hiyo, kuhakikisha mapato imeongezeka kwa njia ya kuongeza uwezo kwa hawa wavuvi.
In fact, ukiangalia mikutano yetu ya zamani ya kisiasa, we used to challenge the government of the day. Munapeleka pesa kwa kahawa, munapeleka pesa kwa chai, munapeleka pesa kwa sukari, wapi pesa yetu ya wavuvi? But today we are here feeling very encouraged that the government and partners have brought forward resources worth 10 billion shillings meant to uplift that ordinary mwananchi from the coastal region.